Which of the following rivers does not originate in India? A. Ganga, B. Brahmaputra, C. Yamuna, D. Godavari. Answer is B. Brahmaputra. Which planet in our solar system has the longest day? A. Earth, B. Mars, C. Venus, D. Jupiter. Answer is C. Venus. The President of India is elected by A. Direct election by citizens, B. Members of Lok Sabha only, C. Electoral college consisting of elected members of both houses of parliament and state legislative assemblies, D. Council of Ministers. Answer is C. Who presides over the joint sitting of the two houses of parliament? A. President, B. Speaker of Lok Sabha, C. Chairman of Rajya Sabha, D. Prime Minister. Answer is B. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Which of the following is the highest peak in India? A. Kanchenjunga, B. Nanda Devi, C. Mount Everest, D. Kamet. Answer is A. Kanchenjunga. The longest river in India is A. Yamuna, B. Brahmaputra, C. Ganga, D. Godavari. Answer is C. Ganga. The Ring of Fire is associated with A. Deserts, B. Earthquakes and volcanoes, C. Cyclones, D. Forest fires. Answer is B. Earthquakes and volcanoes. The concept of minimum support price (MSP) is related to A. Industrial goods, B. Import duties, C. Agricultural products, D. Labor wages. Answer is C. Agricultural products. The Goods and Services Tax (GST) in India is based on the principle of A. Origin-based taxation, B. Destination-based taxation, C. Value-based taxation, D. Wealth-based taxation.
Answer is B. DNA stands for A. Deoxyribonucleic acid, B. Deoxyribonucleic acid, C. Dioxynucleic acid, D. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Answer is B.